No tricks, only treats here at Brizy this holiday couple of days. We started early this year, and we've prepared a great discount for you, 30% off on every plan we offer. Let me show you how you can get this nice treat. Here's our website. What you'll do, you'll go to brizy.io on pricing. You'll end up on our Brizy WordPress pricing page. This is where you need to take a decision. You'll go WordPress, or you want something managed. You want to go Brizy Cloud. But no matter what you choose, you'll get 30% off on each plan. So if you're building a website for yourself, you'll go for personal. If you're a freelancer or a designer, developer, you'll most likely go for the freelancer plan. And if you're an agency working with clients, the agency plan is for you. And it also comes with white label options, of course. You have the option to pay yearly and lifetime. And the yearly pricing is 30% off as well. If you choose to go Brizy Cloud, you'll switch to Brizy Cloud here, and the plans are the same: personal, freelancer, and agency, and they are 30% off. You can pay yearly or monthly. This is what we've prepared for this Halloween for you. 30% off, I wouldn't miss it. It's the biggest discount we gave or we released this year. So you have 5 days left, so don't miss it. See you in the next one.